Today I'm making the legendary Matilda chocolate cake, the Bruce Bogtrotter cake. Rich, glossy, and unapologetically chocolate. First, I start with the frosting so it can set. Ganache. I chop 16 ounces, 450 grai, of good semi-sweet chocolate into small pieces. I toss the chopped chocolate into a heat-proof bowl. In a pot, I heat 2 cups, 480 milliliters of heavy cream until it just simmers. No boiling. I pour the hot cream over the chocolate. I cover the bowl with a plate. I let it sit 2 to 3 minutes. Then I whisk from the center out until it's silky. A pinch of salt, a splash of vanilla. Optional, but I love it. I set it aside to cool. I'm aiming for a pourable but thick consistency later. Now the cake. Oven to 350°, 175°. I grease the pans. I line 2 8-inch 20cm round pans with parchment. In a big bowl, I whisk dry ingredients. 1 3/4 cups, 220°, all-purpose flour. 3/4 cup, 75°, unsweetened cocoa. 2 cups, 400°, sugar. 112 tsp baking powder. 112 tsp baking soda. 1 tsp salt. In another bowl, I mix 2 large eggs. 1 cup, 240 ml milk. 1/2 cup, 120 ml neutral oil. 2 tsp vanilla. Wet goes into dry. I whisk until just smooth. Now the magic. I stir in 1 cup 240 ml hot coffee, slowly, or boiling water, slowly. The batter will be thin. That's right. I divide the batter between the pans. I bake 30 to 35 minutes until a toothpick comes out with a few moist crumbs. I cool the cakes 10 minutes in the pans. Then I turn them out and cool completely. Assembly time. If the top's domed, I level them with a serrated knife. Snacks for the chef. Optional. I brush on a little warm simple syrup, or coffee to keep it ultra moist. I place the first layer on a stand. I spoon on a generous layer of ganache. I spread it edge to edge. Second layer on top. If the ganache is too runny, I chill 5 to 10 minutes. If it's too thick, I warm it briefly over a pot of hot water. Then I pour the ganache. Let it cascade down the sides. I smooth the top with an offset spatula. I coax drips around the cake until it's glossy and dramatic. I chill 15 to 20 minutes to set. Then finish with a final swoop for that mirror shine. Slice with a hot knife. Wipe between cuts for clean layers. Serve thick wedges with cold milk. Serve thick wedges with ice cream. Pro tips. Use Dutch processed cocoa for deeper color and flavor. Coffee boosts chocolate flavor. You won't taste coffee. Make the cake a day ahead. Flavor blooms overnight. That's the Matilda cake. Tall, fudgy, and absolutely dangerous in the best way. Go grab a fork.